What's this? You can already barely afford PC parts because of stagnant wages, inflation, tariffs, and your stomach's selfish desire to eat food? Well, it's about to get a lot worse. For a while now, we've been seeing the big players in the NAND space ringing alarm bells that prices are about to go through the roof. People like Samsung and Micron have already been raising their prices. Given how there's already so much pressure on buyers, many companies have been trying to at least somewhat limit the overall impact of this on the end consumer, but even then they're starting to buckle, with some brands like PNY pulling the Black Friday deals due to the rising prices. So it looks like your options for saving some money on drives are kind of limited this Black Friday if this continues. But why is this all happening? I mean, do you really even have to ask that? You already know the answer. It's AI. Of course it's AI. With all of those pesky data centers requiring so much NAND flash to actually, well, run, they've been hugging up all of the supply, with just the scraps being left over, and the demand has been quickly outpacing supply. Hence we find ourselves in this very situation, and it looks like this kind of increase in pricing is something we're going to have to get used to for at least the coming months, and odds are it'll get much worse before it even starts getting any better. But of course the real big test will be Black Friday, which is just around the corner on the 28th. We'll be able to see exactly how far companies are actually able to drop their prices on drives, so as always make sure to join us on our annual Black Friday stream where we'll be going for all of the best deals, trying to build the best budget PC using only Black Friday deals. And in the meantime, why not check out our Patreon as well, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Patrick Velken, the student in Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.